The state executive executes the laws framed by the state legislature. In this module, you will learn about the governor, chief minister, and the state legislature. The governor is the constitutional head of a state. The governor is appointed by the president for a term of 5 years. To be eligible for the post of a governor, a person must be a citizen of India and above the age of 35 years. The governor approves bills passed by the state legislature and recommends the budget amongst other functions. The leader of the majority party, who enjoys the confidence of the state assembly, is appointed as the chief minister by the governor. The chief minister is the real head of the state. She or he advises the governor on the selection of the council of ministers and the size of her or his cabinet. The chief minister holds collective responsibility along with the council of ministers at the state level. The states of India have legislative assemblies corresponding to the Lok Sabha in the parliament. Some states also have legislative councils corresponding to the Rajya Sabha. The states that have only one house, namely the Legislative Assembly or the lower house, have a unicameral legislature. States that have two houses, the Legislative Assembly, that is lower house, and Legislative Council, that is upper house, have a bicameral legislature. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh have a bicameral legislature. All the others have a unicameral legislature. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on India, the state government.